Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this telescope. Now this is an attachment for your smartphone where that basically you have a telephoto style lens for your smartphone. So this is the front of the box. The top, same on this side. Over here, it's just perfect for boating, sports, bird watching, auto racing, horse racing, theater, beach, travel, and same over here. So let's open this on up. Oh wow, thank you note. And then, wow, we got a few things down in here. So this looks like some kind of mount for your cell phone, where you could mount your cell phone with this. That could be very helpful. Then we've got how to use instructions. We've got little included wrist strap, a cloth to clean the lens. And then that's it for this box. Inside of this little box is, this is tripod. Yeah, that's it for that. There's a little included tripod that they give you, just standard tripod. Then inside of this nice little protective case is our actual telescope. Look at that. Wow. Nothing else in there. And so you can see here, this is where you'd be able to screw your tripod onto your telescope. Wow, look at that. That is something else. That though is essentially this telescope unboxing. That's everything though that comes inside of here. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next unboxing. Deuces.